Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Skye, where we're making chocolate chip cookies. Start with 8 ounces unsalted butter. Add the butter to a medium saucepan on medium-high heat and swirl constantly so the milk solids don't stick and burn. As the water evaporates, the butter will turn frothy and then clear up. Once it clears up, you know you're close. The butter will also start to smell a little nutty. Remove the butter from the heat, transfer to a medium bowl, and whisk in 1 ice cube to stop the cooking process. Transfer to the refrigerator and allow it to cool completely. Next, take 280 grams all-purpose flour, 3 grams baking soda, and about 12 grams kosher salt and whisk to combine. Take 140 grams granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 10 milliliters vanilla extract, and add to the bowl of a stand mixer. Using the whisk attachment, mix for about 5 minutes on medium-high speed until the mixture is pale brownish yellow and falls off the whisk in thick ribbons. Next, take 140 grams dark brown sugar and add it to the cooled brown butter. Take this to the stand mixer and mix together with the paddle attachment until just combined, about 15 seconds. Next, carefully add flour mixture to the bowl and mix for about 15 seconds. You still want to see some dry spots because we're not done completely mixing it just yet. Roughly chop about 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate and add to the mixing bowl. Mix for about 15 seconds until just combined. We want the butter in the dough to set up, so transfer to an airtight container and refrigerate overnight. When you're ready to bake, form 30-gram balls and transfer to a silicone-lined baking sheet. Bake in a 325-degree oven for about 13 to 16 minutes. Remove from the oven and top with sea salt while still warm. After about 2 minutes, transfer it to a cooling rack to allow to cool completely. Repeat the baking steps for the rest of the dough and enjoy. Thanks to Serious Eats for this recipe. I'll link it in the description below. Thanks again for watching. If you have any feedback, I'd love to hear it in the comments. And we'll see you next time.